What's up with y'all boys? Today is a trade recap going over a top step trade I caught for today. Don't mind my tabs. I have a lot of work tabs open and anime for One Piece. So this trade I caught on 2:30, 2 something, I don't know. But it was for about 30 pips. I entered after this 15-minute inverse for value gap got closed upon, and I'll show you some of the more confluences I had, but I want to share with you not basically my strategy but kind of my trading plan for what I want to do. Basically, I want to size and high and get a moderately decent pips for like 30 to 60, and then I want to take like one trade a day, sizing high with minimal risk, maybe like a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 20 pips to like 15, something like 25 to like 15, 25 maximum. And that's kind of what I want my trading plan to be when I'm coming into the day. Okay, so what I want to show you is I want to show you the confluences I had for today. So just what to look for if you're trying to have this strategy. This is wrong because it's supposed to be to here. Thought it was more pips, but it's only 35, which is weird because it was not a lot, but so what did we have? So at around 12:30, we swept liquidity of this low that occurred during New York AM. So I was like, okay, we swept liquidity. We came higher, right? And then we came into this 10-minute for value gap. After seeing that, I was like, okay, we're coming into this for value gap. What are we doing here? We're probably going to be bullish after coming into here. I see this for value gap being placed, and you also see the consolidation around this for value gap on the 1 minute here, right? You see that consolidation here. After that, we have this big volatile move up. So I was like, okay, we have volatility. And then we have this 5-minute inverse for value gap here, which kind of gave me a little bit more confluence. As you can see, just a little short one. There's probably like a 10-minute one, or no, there's not, but there kind of is, like right there. So there's a 10-minute and 5-minute for inverse for value gap. And then I literally saw that and I was like, I want to take it. But I was like, let me chill. So I don't know. Let me wait for more. So what I waited for is a moderately high time frame confluence, which would be the 15-minute inverse, which would be right here. And it was pretty like blatant. It wasn't like some shit hiding in the corner. Like, yeah, you can see that. So I was like, okay, I waited for the inverse for value gap and I took it right about there. And I just went up to this high. And I placed in 16. I took off half when it was at the 500, like half of my take profit. And then we got up there. So that was like a trade recap. I'm posting this and I'm recording this because I want people to know what my strategy is and how I look at the market, and also to know that this is possible and you can do this, because this is also for me, because literally like I just lost 2 times before this to fucking stupid consolidation. So I just wanted to let you know that like you can come back from that. You can't let it affect you too much. So that's the end of the video. That's a wrap. I'll see you in the next one.